Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Stripe customer portal payments, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Stripe customer portal payments, begin by logging into your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the developers section and select API keys. Copy your secret key and keep it secure for later use. Next, access the billing section from the left sidebar. Click on Customer Portal to configure the settings. Make sure to enable the customer portal if it isn't already activated. Set your redirect URLs for successful and cancelled sessions. Now, move on to creating a customer object. Use the Stripe SDK for your programming language of choice to create the customer. Include necessary details such as email and payment method information. Once the customer is created, generate a session for the customer portal. Utilize the stripe.billing.portal.sessions.create method. Pass the customer ID and return URL as parameters. Store the session URL that is returned by the API. Redirect your user to this session URL to complete authentication. Users will be prompted to sign in or provide payment details. Once the user completes the session, they will be redirected back to your return URL. Handle the session data on your server to confirm the transaction status. You can retrieve session details through the Stripe API for further processing. Implement error handling for any potential authentication failures. This will ensure a smooth experience for users interacting with the customer portal. Test your integration in the Stripe test environment to validate functionality. Once confirmed, deploy your changes into production mode. Review the transaction records on your Stripe dashboard to ensure accuracy. This completes the step-by-step guide to authenticate with Stripe customer portal payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.